Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. In this report, we will bring you a special and detailed report from South Sudan. This is not just news. This is about power, suffering, politics, and the life of ordinary people. In this episode, we will talk about four major developments. First, President Kiir Mayardit has removed Interior Minister Angelina Teny and made big change in his government. Second, we will talk about allies of Dr. Machar are accusing the government of blocking medical help to wounded opposition fighters. Third, we'll talk about a deadly cattle raid in Warrap state that have killed at least 27 people. And finally, we'll talk about heavy fighting in Jonglei state as forced more than that forced more than 30,000 families to flee their home. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with Kiir removed Interior Minister Angelina Teny. On Monday evening, January 19, 2026, South Sudanese President Kiir Mayardit made a major political decision. He removed Angelina Teny, the Minister of Interior, from her position. Angelina Teny is not just any minister. She is the wife of first Vice President Dr. Machar, the detained opposition leader and suspended first Vice President of South Sudan. Her removal has sent shockwave across the country. President Kiir Mayardit replaced her with General Aliu, a close ally and long-term figure in the government. General Aliu is not new to power. He previously served as Interior Minister from 2013 to 2025. He was also the governor of Warrap state between year 2021 and 2022. Many South Sudanese see this move as a return to familiar faces in a state of a new leadership. Angelina Teny became Interim Minister under the 2018 peace agreement. We created a power-sharing government between President Kiir Mayardit and Dr. Machar, the first Vice President. In March 2023, President Kiir Mayardit moved her from the Minister of Defense to the Minister of Interior. At the same time, President Kiir Mayardit took the Defense Minister for himself. This decision was controversial. Since March 2025, Angelina Teny has not been active in her ministry. This followed the house arrest of first Vice President Dr. Machar in Juba. After that, most of her duties were handled by her Deputy General Mangar Bong. In June 2025, security forces reportedly took her phone, laptop, and internet modem. Since then, her political influence has been very limited. Her removal now appears to be part of a wider political strategy. Angelina Teny was not the only official removed. President Kiir Mayardit also dismissed the governor of Lagos State, General Rin Tweny Maboro. He replaced him with Madang Majok Men. General Rin had been governor since 2021 and played a major role in reducing community violence in Lagos State. Many people are confused about why he was removed. Analysts believe he may soon be given a military or security position. Several other senior officials were also dismissed, including the Minister of Public Service, the Minister of Labor, the Minister of Culture, the Deputy Governor of Upper State, the Director of Intelligence in National Security Service. Interestingly, all those removed belong to the President Kiir Mayardit own SPLM party, not the opposition. Their replacements are also mostly loyal to the President. This has raised serious questions about the real purpose of the reshuffle. South Sudanese policy analyst Boboya James Edimon strongly criticized the changes. He said the reshuffle is confusing and unlikely to solve South Sudan's deep problem. According to him, removing experienced officials can harm important reform, including program supported by the World Bank. He also warned that many appointments seem based on politic and ethnic balance, not performance. This is especially worrying at a time when insecurity is rising in Jonglei state. Edmond said South Sudanese citizens are tired of leadership change. People want a school, road, hospital, salaries for civil servants and soldiers, investment in farming and food production. Without a strong institution and a stable leadership, he say these cabinet change may not improve daily life. Then move on. Dr. Machar ally accused government of blocking medical aid. As political tension grows, a new accusation has emerged. Paul Maidang, a senior member of the SPLM-IO opposition party, has accused the government of Kiir Mayardit of blocking medical treatment for wounded opposition fighters. Paul Maidang is also the Minister of Water Resources and close ally of First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. He claimed that the international community or the International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC, has been stopped from treating wounded SPLM-IO combatants in Jonglei state. According to him, only government soldiers are allowed to receive treatment. He described this as deliberate and dangerous. Paul Maidang warned that blocking medical aid is a violation of international law. He said it breaks humanitarian law, human rights law, and United Nations principles. He also accused the government of blocking aid to opposition control areas in northern Jonglei. According to him, civilians are suffering the most. He called on the ICRC, the United Nations, and the international community to act quickly and ensure aid reach everywhere, regardless of political side. By the time this report was released, the government and the ICRC had not responded to this claim. Let's move on. Deadly cattle raid, violence in Warrap state. While political fight for power, ordinary people are dying. In Warrap state, at least 27 people were killed in violent cattle raid clashes. The attack happened in Gogrel East and Tony East counties. According to state officials, the violence involved army use from the Jalwao and Luanjang communities. The fighting was a revenge attack over stolen cattle. Cattle raiding has become a deadly cycle in South Sudan. One attack leads to revenge, revenge leads to more death. Authorities said about 3,000 cattle were stolen in a recent raid, which triggered the violence. The area is swampy and difficult to access. Many bodies were buried quickly because of flooding and insecurity. Security forces have been sent to the area, but lasting peace remains difficult. Unity State authorities say they are investigating claims that some raiders crossed from their territory. The situation in Jonglei State is even more serious. Heavy fighting between government forces and opposition forces have forced over 30,000 families to flee their home in Duke County. Entire communities have run into a swampy, remote village and temporary shelter. Many families have nothing. The Duke County Commissioner said displaced people are facing hunger, lack of clean water, no shelter, no medicine. Children, women, and the elderly are suffering the most. Malaria and other diseases are spreading. Families are sleeping without mosquito net or blanket. Local leaders are begging the government and aid group to help them. They say without urgent action, the situation could become a disaster. South Sudan is one again standing at a dangerous crossroad. Political reshuffle continue. Opposition leaders remain under pressure. Communities are killing each other over cattle. Families are running from bullets instead of building their future. Peace cannot survive on paper alone. Without trust, justice, and real service to the people, this problem will continue. The people of South Sudan deserve peace, safety, dignity, and a future for their children. If you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Biakamal Guasame, Banarach Katunat, Kabukorandi T. Banakalin, Kajodan, and Chakanungaja. The conke very important update. Ray with South Sudan, the banaling, a guac, a drop down the conkeling Jakatung Nantanas. Sabbecame a yardit share Angelina Tencha George, Commissioner of Interior, position there. Angelina Ten, Jen, a Jeram Dan La Cour, Canam and Wing Guazedan, Chaquankaja, Jen, share Dr. Machaten, Jen, position Antatin. A position kuma spele ayo ngai kon diale gwade dane chaja kwan ko beteka jen position mo en do badana we ke Germany chenete want widen chaja gay ka do branch kem yadi Angelina Ten chaja George president self kem yadi ba kana woni Angelina Ten karwade che guri shal ke general Aliou ayen Aliou chaja George re kwarka daba en general Aliou ayen general kelwa michilena wal chetega power no wal ka gwazidan wachele la minister of interior ka gwazidan 2013 away naga 2015 nyoko kor jen cha kwan ba la governor dun Warrap state ke 2021 away ka 2022 neti wan ngai ke je wude me o ram kel michilet kel ke kir mi yadit kir mi yadit chala ro jen nonga neti konteje kon to kwar ka gwazidan neti ngaje la familiar face kene kon ledre kumaka right now ko jo chala ne wan thi ken lo no wo ka Angelina Ten kir mi yadi da do brin wo ke jamo no ban jilin ka jena report me mi chala den Angelina Ten mi las ke je kwarka las ke je kwarka lo jen ramimo miteka kum medan e taimal la kume SPLA ayo jen me chamal chaja tan ke 2018 peace agreement edan shwa power sharing chwa jela dan power sharing mo she Angelina Ten je mo ko ba je mo ko position no amala mo tanga je kam president Kiir kana Dr. Machar sho male dan cha tan chu wagwa ka kore chwa ti dia chwa yuri aleka ka pay diok ronkin dangro jandangro with the diok president Salva Kiir yadit shwe Angelina Ten choje George Minister of Defense to the Minister of Interior me dan cheje ko la Minister of Defense ka kor choje wotin ka choje nyom na je Minister of Interior jen gwad dan chelaten ka gwase dan shu point Kiir yadi cho position mo la Defense Minister choje kan point mi chala do jen violation when position dan etetin and Angelina Ten edun kuma spela yo lolo do de keke duno meji Kiir bi gojene cho position mo choje kan la dunde ani ka jen pay doge dan ronkin dangro jen dangro di Angelina Ten no kana menen ke kana men we ka muktab ni ka gwade da ne cha da kuma char me cha yen ke cha je laska andarawa sares Kiir mi yadi kan let Angelina Ten diale ko de deral la de jen re kuma ka cha ala da wude chal ka general mangarbom jenam da la deputy de to Angelina Ten chocho kan chelet ka jen pay bakale dan ronkin daro jen dangro di shu security force ngai kone security force shu gen shu kan dor Dr. Machar la dor dan to Angelina Ten tetin shu kan maka shu kan telephone ken laptop ne kan internet modem ti dial yu kan kanang ka kel na me chwa gu jeno shikir mi yadi che mublo den che jemek ge jen ojen do badan an woje Angelina Ten ko che gorno te ram mo mi la ran spele ayo mete ka attachment ke Dr. Machar ten mi bu ngore kwarka ko jen do badan lede ene to che ka wut mera dien gwasme Angelina Ten che jaram dan chawi karwade president Salva Kiir yadit che governor Jonglei state general ren Teny ma bor che George ba cha gwada che kan wud michal ka madang ma jok men namo michoda lat ka jom chalat gwasme general ren wajen che kwarkan ka jarwon kin dangro jandangro de kel ana ala governor jen gwada dan tetin wajen chalel lonko de maldare bere duaren winimi ka leg state en tay dane cha joje tiang ke celebration ngwan ka jang mil telo den lungo no cha je joj en gudo money ka telo den ko cha madeng ma jok men cha nyom ko en ke je ke cha je ko nyala kwer ne to ngwan gwaze me china ko confuse lungo no do be den mo wo kin mi yadi go je na ka jemo wo je ne kontila military kin konan te deika la kwar ba chala do de go je no jan ta dan en to courted right now we ka South Sudan yin do badan gore ne te konde de tenwal special cheram dan pai konde ngwata me man cha kwan la interior Minister of Interior we mean that yaram dan take te dial ke yin security ka draw ke yin police ni ene dor mu we ke ku kor be ya ka ko nur shal ka liu ngai te dial ko je ko ni wal ngai 2013 me na kan wer me dan ke kwa gwai dan ko je tok tin ke 2013 yo ngai all the tactic dan dong kwan ke je money Can it gonna charge cha senior official the one cha removed and on Minister of Public Service charge, Minister of Labor charge, Minister of Culture charge, Deputy Governor of Upper State bo la kwera the charge, Director of Intelligence in the National Security Service bo charge ne dialati kan ne charge anyok gwata me President Salva Kiir yadid bo alamen chalat of course ne men chalat chala ko wujene ne ka telejeriat you know all those removed belong to President Kiir party kendial so chang woje ka wa tele problem but woje ji kam woje gwara di ram mo chilet chitka da ngai koneja chirali en jenyo ora che ram chale boya James Edmond che ne me che jala jor long ka do budanen shi kume shi kan ay kan go ke je she wona me jeka ko lara ma woike ka baram lat gosde baram mo woch baram mo lat gosde a chan ken janke chan tare mu chalat ba baji wi lora bang be so no dong ram mo che teri chenen ti jikir gan ne lede ki be so no general mo me muna community dien ke lu ge community dien no ram mo be de kwain ko jaram dan blad bilat ajen do budanan kwain kim yadit ke je she ko la do ne en tam shit ne me yere chian ki yer wich ko barana kwa inge besa no te perform ne gwa mle de community donc ko che nang rar wana we kan ki we ngulel kar dial to yo ba consider Kiir no ne de ti le ken bum kana mo cha go jeno shi chong ajen do budana wo South Sudan we je ka je oran cha je dia kwa inge ko jin e bi ka tribe mo ke bi ka re do mo ne en Edmond chela do ne na jene South Sudan citizen man gor kan lon gor kan o de ka tika do de ka tika dul gor de ka tika dul wal no no de ka mo ko yo se ka sala resnetin kon de to bla yo la kap ke kon en kan ko la civil servant tel yo de kan re ka South Sudan ni ka koruna diality jela na ro ala ni shang no yo ka ne ka yo chicken be kwa lele kon ne tin content dong jakum kim yadit ko bu gwa shi o bi citizen tin ko la lat be kan dor be kan jek so na me le rode Jordan Gwasman cha kwen men cha lat kwi nent kon shun kel ke support Dr. Machar ne kontin leken kel are kumaka roy mi cha lat gwasme palmai dang jene senior member ka SPLA-IO opposition party jen je kumikir mi yadi cha gwanyano ken chicken medical treatment ke ne kontin la wala nong la ne kontin la log la jatup no she kum gwanyano pen ken ko woken goten konden cha control kum SPLA-IO palmai dang jene minister of water resources ka rammi mo mitie ko kan dak Machar ka jo chalat gwasme palmai dang chalado ne the International Committee Red Cross la ICRC cha ka logo no jen ka we kan goten content ji SPLA-IO tigatin gwada dan ente de ni kene ko na mo ka bot got kore gwada de bot ken de ko mo ka waltin wa pen ga ke ku mikir mi yadi mantere wi ke juba wachi kan ICRC kan block wo bajien bo we brenyalen bo nyu gwada dan ji SPLA-IO tigatin ajena me shi ma gwa men chalat gwa se me jena point ne me ajani kwa broke yarkan humanitarian law ka yarkan human right law ka yarkan United Nations principle ko me pen karan access ka medical ke penji o bajil wak ala humanitarian needs min lo ko ke no to ko ke to ajanna mani ajani ajaran woni man cha ya pen ajuin mondial che kum ker mi yadi che ga gwanyo no ne na lokano ba na ba ka lok humanitarian ke ba wal ba kam SPLA-IO gwada dan ticket especially ka Jonglei state na me la rode gwa mi chuch ne kon la civilian chu kentin ka kum ker mi yadi che go rode ne kontin la organization de lokana de gwen winimi chikala do ne shol ken ICRC ka shol ken United Nation ken international community ano de ken rodian jako de ka chu gwen kontin de SPLA-IO tiketin gota kon ya control kum SPLA-IO de no bu rodian jako ba ka influence chicken bu ben goten kontin gore keten de jo ma che jeladi no de kon linka ta dan che to je wana ka report de na chalat gwasame kor mi chitu ok dor shal ka Warrap state bana writing ka Warrap state ka jo ma chalat gwasame chalat wone ne shani ri shogu jendang ro baro shakanak gwad mi chiko che to tin ka kwi hok kor me toga ka gogrial is kana ton is counties jan gwad dan to rektin kor me togo tugde dangro ngwani jalwa ken ngwani luanjang ken ngwani ti ke use ti ken ko nyen jan do budan wona wu ke ligu jene jan dangro de baro gwad dan nyen na ka kwi hok de ngai kona wa kor me mit tini shang ka kwi hok non chigne jandang ro baro ko dien la liu ni chang la ne dong wala ken liu more than that kala ok tong wala kanang chit ke jen ko ne jandang ro baro ko la ne gane chala do jen cha ok chup ke kin dang jok cha ka nang tin cha ga kwal ande tin ko ni chigana cha jo me cha jala dinono chigela do no ni ko ni chiriar cha ko ni ke yere ko which take nyoch tel gwa mo gwa ala pin take piu chala do cha security force ba cha ga jago de gan win de wen winami but rek watil gwa mo tenatin ko do te piu kelu gwa me cha ji unit state authority cha ga ti no they can investigate ko de go jeno ni den kontin winyin ano ka jang re witin winami wade kan warin kon jen ga unit state wa kan it kon dong de go jeno cha ok chup ke kindang jok cha ka nang ken ko shi we ka ken dan ke dien ka jang ala ken wari kana jang cha ji unit state ya jo no kwana mo kwa ji investigate ko bia lad bia gwa dan tok tu tin bia ko gor ka bia ka lo jok cha jo mo cha jala de ken ler ja gwa se me mande kono kwen der la ta danen shi kor mo che to ga gol shal ka mo e jonglei cha la do ne shup ke 30,000 people cha displace ko re dan chi to ka pa jut ne to gor kan kwen gor kan piu gor kan shelter ka jo dan shalat ne me je nan gor de nya kon kel en ban nyoji ka report den ba te ko man bye bye